went well. We continue to express our demands for an independent and transparent American investigation, and we also expressed our disappointment in the 4th of July letter that was released. We told him how damaging it was to the truth. If there's no accountability for Shireen's murder, then yes, this in a way gives a green light for other governments to kill American citizens, and this is what we're trying to avoid. This is what we don't want to see happening again, especially to American Palestinians citizens.